Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to customize gestures on your speaker Realme Pocket. You have to start by open Realme application. Now choose your device. And after that at the bottom click on button settings. Now I guess this gestures is good, but I wanna add touch and hold, so I click on it and choose voice assistant. Now I can also change a single tap, let's say for a next track, double tap for a pause and play, and triple tap, let's say, for switch devices. And here we go! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!